Well, welcome to summer class. This is a little bit unusual this summer. Uh, this was supposed to be a face-to-face course, but we're holding it online because of the pandemic. So let me get you started on the steps you should take when getting started with the course, if you haven't already. So when you first come into the course, um, we can look at the syllabus, but probably the only thing of interest in the syllabus is going to be uh, how to get in touch with the instructor. Mainly, what you want to do is come check on your assignments. Uh, your page is going to look a little bit different from mine, but you should see a link or information about upcoming assignments or assignments that are due when you come in. When you're ready to do your assignment, and there's going to be an assignment due almost every week, you want to look in the modules. So on the left side, the first thing you want to do is come in and check it and click on modules. And you don't want to take any shortcuts when you're first starting off in the class. So make sure you walk through the introductory module, and you'll need to have access to a computer. Um, there's no software you have to set up for this. Everything is online. But walk through this, and if you can, um, you want to set up your computer to see file extensions. You'll see when you walk through that. The required material for the course is a zyBooks. We'll look at that in a second. And then there will be an assignment due. There'll be a date when the assignment is due, and then you can look at the objectives, but then we'll get started with the first assignment. And in this case, the first assignment takes you to telling you need to register for your zyBooks. For this class, I would suggest that you use another tool to write your Python code. What I'm going to cover is Google Colab, and there's a little video here that'll get you started with that. And then going to and completing your assignment in zyBooks. And so when you register for zyBooks and you log in, this is your textbook for the class. And you'll look at your assignments that you'll want to complete, and it will tell you how much of your assignment you've completed so far and walk you through some of that. So in this first assignment, you'll be walking through the first chapter or section. The assignment, what you'll be graded on, is walking through and completing the exercises and tutorials that are in the assignment. There are some additional tutorials or laboratories that you can complete. I would suggest you do as many of these as you can. It will help you a great deal later on to practice this as you go through. Okay. And when you're done with your zyBook assignments, then you go back to the class, and when you're ready, you can submit your assignment. You can answer the questions for this assignment. I'm going to copy these and paste these in here. So you can put them either in the text entry or in the comments, either place. I'll put them in the text entry. and then I'll answer each one of these. How many points did you score in your zyBook assignments? Say I got 56 out of 86 points. Did you install a Python editor? I'm using Google Colab. How long did it take to complete the assignment? I would guess the first week anywhere from 6 to 9 hours. Depends on your level of experience. Okay. And that should do it. Submit the assignment. Now, there will be, not everything will be done in zyBooks. Not all of your work will be done in zyBooks. We're going to learn about data science. And so we're going to be looking at some exercises which we'll be doing outside of zyBooks. zyBooks is a good textbook for learning some of the programming, a little bit of the data science, but we're going to be working outside of the textbook. Okay, so that's just an introduction that should get you started. Contact me if you have any questions about any of this at any time. Okay, I'll end it there.